Hey guys, I am super excited about this YouTube update for mobile. So, by the way, my name is Jay Stone, Master Brand Strategist, and I help entrepreneurs build bankable brands. So, I'm scrolling through YouTube on my Samsung Galaxy Note. Now, this is on the Note. I'm not sure what the update is on the iPhone because I actually don't have an iPhone. However, I'm scrolling through YouTube on my mobile device and I'm trying to look at comments. So normally if you're on YouTube, if you pay attention to this video up here at the top with me in the blue and the glasses, I was trying to get to the comments. So normally how you get to the comments is you scroll down past several videos, you get to the bottom and there's usually comments. So I'm scrolling really fast and I get to the bottom and there's this blue bar at the bottom. You see this blue, it says comments have moved, and then you can click to go to notifications. That's what I got today. So I'm going to click this. If you see the little bubble, I'm clicking this and it scrolls up to the top. And I was like, wait a minute, where is that? And so it tells me to tap here to see all the comments. But I want you to see that this is actually just below the video description. Okay, so if I hit this down arrow here, that's the video description. So if your video description is maximized, then it will be just below that. All right. And if it's minimized, I'm going to minimize it. You see it with this arrow. Minimize, maximize, minimize, maximize. Right here on the right hand side. That's how you minimize and maximize. If I minimize, I can see them right here. Now watch what it does when I actually click in the section where the comments are. You see this bubble right here? I'm going to click right in this section. It gives me a little slider. Slides up. That's almost like a pop-up. So it slides up and then I can see my comments. Now pay attention. You see these little three slider feature here, the triple sliders. So I'm going to click this icon and then it allows me to go with the newest comments at the top, right? And so this Tavis Taylor's at the top. And then when I click top comments, right, it puts Chantrice Martin at the top. So that's pretty neat. Now I'm going to X out of the comments just so we can go through this again where I found it. If you actually go and look at your video, right, it's right under your title. Okay, so you see the title and then what channel you're on and then comments. And then if it's maximized like this, you'll scroll past the description to see it. So hope you guys enjoyed that. I think it's great. YouTube finally listened and did something that makes it easier for us to manage this social media life we have. Anyway, I'm Jay Stoner and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.